Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick pickled vegetables. First, select your favorite fresh, crisp vegetables such as cucumbers, carrots, or green beans. Wash them thoroughly and slice them into uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch thick, for even pickling. Next, sterilize your glass jars and lids in boiling water for at least 10 minutes to ensure a safe and clean environment for your delicious pickles. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar. Apple cider or white vinegar works well, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. For extra flavor, add aromatics like 2 cloves of sliced garlic, a few sprigs of fresh dill, or a half teaspoon of black peppercorns. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, stirring until the salt and sugar are completely dissolved. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Carefully arrange your sliced vegetables into the sterilized jars, packing them tightly but without crushing. Then, pour the hot brine directly over the vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Gently tap the jars on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. Finally, seal your jars tightly with their lids. Let them cool completely to room temperature on your counter. Once cooled, transfer them to the refrigerator. Your quick pickled vegetables will be ready to enjoy in as little as 24 hours, though 2 to 3 days allows for optimal flavor development. They will stay fresh and delicious in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.